Yeah, so I'm back. I tried to film this earlier, but I was not in the right state of mind to film this. And I just was not feeling myself. I was going through the motions, and I just need to stop, chill out, and come back, because I don't want to put whack content out for y'all. So this is gonna be a talk through makeup tutorial. I did my hair already, and this was supposed to be a talk through video, a 3-in-1 video, but I hope that fixed the light. So for the most part, my base is gonna be the same. I'm taking another one of these Better Energy things, just because I'm really trying to test them out, see if my mood like changes throughout the video, see if I like gain more energy. This is probably not gonna be a talk through video, just because, yeah. So
Leo Extras. Yeah, 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 yeah. Feeling.
suis fatigué. Je t'ai regardé dormir. Et si ma voix peut t'apaiser, je chanterai pour toi toute la nuit. Je veux t'entendre dire à tes pingocho et je peux plus me passer de lui. Et tout va glisser sur ta peau, c'est comme si je te passais de l'huile. Et s'ils ne sont pas nous, c'est tant pis pour eux. S'ils sont jaloux, c'est tant pis pour eux. Fais-le-moi savoir quand c'est douloureux. Je suis prêt s'il faut encaisser pour nous deux. Et je le sais, je te fais confiance quand tu me souris, tu fais pas semblant. J'ai pas besoin d'attendre plus longtemps, je sais qu'il est temps de partager mon sang. Et t'élever au rang de reine, au rang de reine, au rang de reine. Et t'élever au rang de reine, au rang de reine, au rang de reine. Oh, ah. Chérie, j'ai nous ma tête. Pas t'en aller, c'est mort, j'ai mis du temps à te trouver, mis à mort, celui qui dit qu'on s'est trompé, à tort, on se battra même contre les coups du sort, assez parlé, au bout d'un moment y a plus de mots, ça y est, j'ai délaissé mon cœur dans ta peau, je te laisserai pas t'en aller, c'est mort, j'ai mis du temps à te trouver, mis à mort, celui qui dit qu'on s'est trompé, à tort, on se battra même contre les coups du sort. fatigué. Je t'ai regardé dormir. Et si ma voix peut t'apaiser, je chanterai pour toi toute la nuit. Je t'entends dire à tes pingocho et je peux plus me passer de lui. Et tout va glisser sur ta peau, c'est comme si je te passais de l'huile.
I hope y'all are feeling this look as much as I am. I feel like this is a whole new look for me. This hair is from my Lisa Hair Company. They are not sponsoring this video, but this is an old wig that I restored. And I'm going to show you guys the whole video on how I restored my first layback, washing it, all that stuff, the style, everything in my next coming video. So don't you even worry. My fashion hauls are coming, baby. Don't you worry. Honestly, my fashion haul might be before the next video. I'm just like, yeah, they hate. Yeah, they hate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And that's on, baby. Because you want to see more looks like this. You want to see a black girl about her biz. I don't even know what's going on right now. But you know when you do like a look that you just really love. And you just start feeling yourself. That's me right now. This shirt, don't doubt my greatness. Don't doubt my greatness is from my girl Taylor. I will have all her information linked down below. She sent me this shirt and I was like, bitch. Like, yes. Okay. If you guys want to see how I do this half up ponytail, honestly, I don't think you want a video on it because it's really easy. I just put the hair half up, half down. I curled the ponytail a little bit. Next time I might add more hair just to give it a little bit more, you know, I've never done anything like this. This is so different for me, but I'm loving it. Don't forget to add me on all social media because we lit on that side, okay? I don't know how many times I have to say this or you guys to get it, but we lit on that side. Who says dark-skinned girls can't rock red lips? Who says dark-skinned girls can't rock red lips? Because they ain't saying that no more. This is how I catfish. Like, I'm going to make you fall in love. Because this is... I'm here, baby. Period. I hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless. I like doing videos like this. I'm gonna definitely try to step out my comfort zone more. Hopefully, depending on how you guys like this one. Let me know if you guys want to see me do more hair stuff that's out of my comfort zone, because this was definitely out of my comfort zone. I don't ever do anything with my hair. Like, see you guys in my next video. Love you, baby. Stay beautiful.